Very good morning. Okay, look here, Nana. Concept is a projectile fired at a speed u at an angle theta with horizontal. Find speed when it makes an angle alpha with horizontal. I explain the question, Nana. Look here. This is the projectile, x-axis, y-axis. In the projectile, look here, body projected with an initial velocity u makes an angle theta. Okay? U resolved into two components. One is u cos theta. Vertical component is u sin theta. Okay, this is initial velocity u. After t seconds, body here now. Okay, after t seconds, body moves here to here. Here within tangent drawn, it gives the direction of velocity. Okay. This velocity is resolved into two components. Okay, one is x component, other one is y component. In the situation, find velocity, find speed, it makes an angle alpha with horizontal. Again, I can explain the question. Ruchit, initial velocity u. After t seconds, body is here. This velocity makes an angle alpha with horizontal. Okay? Find v value. This is the question. We know that in the projectile, horizontal velocity does not change. Simply, horizontal velocity after t seconds equal to horizontal velocity at origin. Simply, horizontal velocity does not change because in the horizontal direction no earth's gravity. Look here. Here, what is the Vx? Vx means u. Okay? Look here now. Vx equal to ux. What is the ux value? Ux value is u cos theta. Okay? Here, look here now. This V makes an angle alpha. We know the resolution. Angle says cos, remaining will be sine. Okay? What is the keyword in the problem? Horizontal velocity does not change. Simply, this horizontal velocity equal to this horizontal velocity. Simply, u cos theta equal to v cos alpha. Okay? Here, to find v value, what is the v value? Cos other side denominator, u cos theta by cos alpha. In the mathematics, 1 by cos alpha write as secant alpha. This is the velocity of the projectile after t seconds. Hold. To see the question, Nana, a body projects velocity u at an angle theta with horizontal. Look here now. Body projected some angle. This is projectile. This body is called projectile. This is the body, Nana. Here it will be thrown with initial velocity u It makes an angle theta with horizontal. Look here. In the situation, what is the initial velocity? U. After t seconds, for example, body is here. Tangent drawn, it gives the direction of velocity. Look here. Initial velocity u. After t seconds, this is the final velocities. According to diagram, here u and v perpendicular. U and v perpendicular. The question, look here. After what time? Initial and final velocities are perpendicular. Here to determine time. Nana, question listen carefully. Initial velocity, final velocity perpendicular. After what time? Directly I given. ఎందుకంటే ఈ డెరివేషన్ చేస్తే ఎవరు సరిపోయింది. అదర్ ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు నాకు డైరెక్ట్గా ఫోన్ చేయండి. టైం ఆఫ్టర్ వాట్ టైం అంటే u by g sin theta. In this time, initial velocity and final velocity are perpendicular to each other. What time perpendicular to each other? U by g sin theta. In the situation, what is the final velocity? That means, what is the velocity? In terms of union, u cot theta. These two formulas are applicable only for u comma v are perpendicular to each other. Write the formula. After what time u and v perpendicular to each other? T equal to u by g sin theta. After what is the final velocity? V equal to u cot theta. Wind. In the absence of wind, the range and maximum height of the projectile are r and h. That is the normal case, because in the absence of wind, in the absence of air resistance, but now the wind imparts horizontal acceleration to the projectile. In the absence of air, in the presence of air. Okay, here air acts horizontally. Okay, so that's why in this case find maximum height and range. Generally here wind acts horizontally, so that's why horizontal component change, vertical velocity does not change. Keyword అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ ఎయిర్ ఎలా యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది? హారిజెంటల్లీ. సో దట్స్ వై హారిజెంటల్ వెలాసిటీ చేంజెస్, but vertical velocity does not change because of wind, because wind acts horizontally. Simply vertical velocity does not change. Simply u sin theta equal to constant. Okay nana? మరి ఏం చేంజ్ అవుతుంది? హారిజెంటల్ వెలాసిటీ ఇన్ ద ప్రొజెక్టైల్ ఎంత? u cos theta చేంజెస్. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, మరి టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్ ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి. టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్ ఫార్ములా 2u sin theta by g. Time of flight depends upon the vertical velocity. That's why vertical velocity constant, time of flight also constant. Suppose before absence of wind After presence of wind, both the time of flight is same. Next concept. Next, time of flight completed. Next, I discuss maximum height. Maximum height formula is u square sin square theta whole by 2g. According to this situation, this is the time of flight, this is maximum height. Here also, in the maximum height, once again I repeat, in the maximum height, vertical velocity is, once again I repeat, in the maximum height, vertical velocity constant. So, maximum height depends upon the u sin theta. So h is constant. Simply, in the absence of air, maximum height of the projectile h. In the presence of air also, maximum height is h. Okay? This means ఇక్కడ ఎయిర్ యాక్ట్ అవ్వకముందు టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్ ఎంత ఉందో ప్రొజెక్టైల్కి, తర్వాత కూడా ప్రెజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్ కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది. మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్ ఆల్సో కాన్స్టెంట్. మరి లాస్ట్ స్టెప్ రేంజ్. రేంజ్ అంటే ఏంటి ప్రొజెక్టైల్లో? హారిజంటల్ డిస్టెన్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కైనమాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్? ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ut ప్లస్ half at square. This is the kinematic second equation. Because range is nothing but the horizontal distance. Nana, new range r dash. Okay. Initially, horizontal velocity is u cos theta. Total time is called time of flight. Okay. Plus half into here horizontal acceleration, s gravity 0, but wind acts, horizontal acceleration is g by 4. Here total time is called t square, time of flight square. Here g by 8 t square, we know that h. Nana, మీకు గుర్తుందో లేదో, h by t square అంటే ఏదో ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చా, g by 8. సింప్లీ h equal to g by 8 into t square. Simply that write h. Here look here. Horizontal velocity into time is called as, horizontal velocity into time is called horizontal distance. Distance means velocity into time. That is called range. Simply r dash, new range formula is r plus h. Simple ra, oka word ande. Here wind act horizontally, so that's why horizontal components changes, vertical component does not change. That's why time of flight does not change, maximum height does not change, but new range equal to old range plus h. This is a very important concept. Again, to practice in the study, our time 4 to 5. Certain velocity, certain angle, okay, other than 90 degrees. This body is called as projectile. Look here. In the projectile, this is the path nana, O, A, B. Here, the question is, once again I repeat, here u resolve, u cos theta. This is what? U sin theta. Here, at B ends, same plane of projection, same speed nana, but direction is opposite. Simply initial velocity equal to final velocity because same plane reach according to kinematics. Here this u resolve, okay, this is called u cos theta. This is called u sin theta. Here this is the angle. Look here. The question is, okay na? The question is find change in momentum along x-axis. Change in momentum along x-axis. Mari momentum ante in the 10th class mass into velocity. Once again, momentum denoted by P. The definition is product defined as momentum defined as product of mass and velocity. Product of mass and velocity is called linear momentum. Okay? The question is find change in momentum along x-axis. Change in momentum means final momentum minus initial momentum. Look here. Here nana momentum definition mass into velocity. Mass of the body m. Finally its velocity u cos theta. Momentum is a vector. That's why to take the direction positive x-axis. So it write I cap. Okay? Here look here. Minus initial momentum here. Along x-axis here. Product of mass into along x-axis initial velocity u cos theta. This direction also look here u cos along x-axis I cap. Look here mu cos theta I cap, mu cos theta I cap. Finally change in momentum becomes 0. Change in momentum becomes 0 along x-axis. Next one. Alane change in momentum along y-axis can be determined. Look here. During the complete projectile. Change in momentum means P final minus P initial. Momentum defined as mass into velocity. Here what is the velocity? U sin theta. It is vertically downward. That axis is called negative y-axis. Negative y-axis unit vector is j cap. X-axis I cap, y-axis j cap, z-axis k cap, negative x-axis minus I cap, negative y-axis minus j cap, negative z-axis minus k cap, minus, look here now. Here change in momentum, initial m, velocity, initial velocity along y-axis u sin theta. It is moving along positive y-axis. That's why j cap. In the both common term is minus j cap. Remaining term mu sin theta plus mu sin theta. Okay? Neatly write as change in momentum along y-axis is mu sin plus mu sin 2 mu sin minus j cap. Idantha naku avasarama. Change in momentum along x-axis in the projectile is 0. Change in momentum along y-axis is 2 mu sin theta. Look here. Initial velocity is 20 meter per second. Theta is 45 degrees. Okay. Here, find range and find range. What is the formula for range? U square sin 2 theta by g. Okay. Here, u square, u value 20, u square 20 into 20. Here theta is 45, 2 into 45 90, sin 90 value 1. What is the value of g? 10, 10 2 jars, neatly 20 into 2, 40 meter, but range is given 25 meter. అదేంటి సార్ అంటే ఇచ్చిన రేంజ్ ఇచ్చిన రేంజ్ 10 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. మనకి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది? రేంజ్ అనేది 40 మీటర్స్ వచ్చింది. ఎందుకు తగ్గింది సార్ అంటే 10 మీటర్సే ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాడు అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏదో ఎయిర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉందంట. ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ the decrease in range due to air resistance. Actual calculations prakaram range ఎంత రావాలి? 40 meter, but given range is 10 meter. The question is decrease in range. Simply change in range. Change in range means final minus initial. Simply 40 minus 10 is equal to 30. Look here. Obliquely. Initial velocity is given 19.6 meter per second. Okay. This is the projectile now. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Here body projected obliquely. Okay. At the highest point, the question is kinetic energy equal to 3 times of the potential energy in the situation. First to determine angle. This is the question. Once again I repeat the question. At the highest point, the question is kinetic energy is 3 times of the potential energy. Highest point kinetic energy formula is half m u square cos square theta. 3 times of the potential energy, half m u square sin square theta. Half mu square cancel. Nana 3 other side 1 by 3. Cos square theta other side sin by cos tan theta. Simply tan square theta is 1 by 3. Simply tan theta is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means 30 degrees. Theta value is 30. Completed. The question is determine after 1 second vertical distance denoted by y. What is the formula for y after t seconds? U sin theta into t minus half gt square. In the situation vertical distance equal to, what is the u value? 19.6 sin 30 1 by 2 time value 1 minus half into g value 9.8 into 1 square. Simply y write as 9.8 minus 4.9. Finally we get vertical position is 4.9 meters. Completed, Nana. Okay.